How to do the evaluation. I recommend to start with the default setting output fraction technology, as it is an easy combination. You will start with the evaluation setting not fixed yet. Later, you will be able to filter evaluations already done, e.g. as forbidden. Next, you should choose the period of reports you want to check. Choose with the entries in year, e.g. reports from the last 1, 2 or 3 years. And I would also recommend to start with one treatment partner, as it is easier to sync. For example, a very good one for OKs or a very bad one to come to evaluation rules. But of course, you may also choose to work in a general way. If you don't select any filter criteria, all reports and combinations from last and current year are shown, but not reports excluded from summaries. If you press Search now, you will get all combinations of output fraction technologies used in your reports you have selected for the evaluation. If you have a large number of reports under your administration, the list of combinations can be very long. So you might also use other fields from the Select Content block to limit your choice. For example, to start with one input fraction. Clicking the underlined Reports Found entry, you may see reports covered by your choice, and you may even select one of them for your evaluation. The list of results shows the evaluation choice and 3 additional columns for evaluation, kind of rule, and controller remarks, and 2 assisting columns, percent of total input or weight in kilogram, and usages. Entries in percent of total input or weight in kilogram shall give you an indication on the mass relevance of this combination. The figure in usages shows you how often this combination has been used in your reports. If you click the number, you will get a list of reports where the combination is used. This list of reports is done as links to jump into the reports overview to the treatment step where the combination is used. The jumping feature gives you the option to look at the context in which this combination has been used. Under evaluation, you may choose if a combination is okay, to be proved, impossible, e.g. from technical aspects, or forbidden, e.g. by national law. Under kind of rule, you may decide if a combination not okay shall result in a warning or a blocking. At present, both kind of rule options result in a warning. The option of blocking is at present mainly given as filter option, but blocking is planned for more drastic actions. Ideas are a more severe warning or a report may not be set to done. For combinations you judge as not okay, as to be proved, impossible or forbidden, you should enter a reason and or any advice on actions under controller remarks. It is up to you to choose and fix combinations which are correct as okay, but we recommend to do this, even if it is quite some work in the first year. It will help you a lot in the following years, as only new combinations will appear if you choose not fixed yet then. All the other ones are handled automatically. To help you a bit, please see that as soon as you modify anything under evaluation, a submit and cancel button will appear after every 5 lines. With submit, the rules will be saved. This allows you a quick go through to save combinations being okay.